Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fessner from Inte.Team. How you doing, guys? So, we get an update. Because I couldn't find anything on the board, I went into the transformer and turns out that the J1 connector, when it's connected, and even the rest are disconnected, or one of the two wires which are going back to PCB is only connected, so that means only the transformer is active. Turns out the transformer is faulty. So I've contacted the customer and I've asked, I'll find the transformer in, of course, the price range. Can we order it? And the customer said yes, we can order it. So I went to check on Google where I can find it, and I found it at several places actually. I found it at Farnell to be the most convenient. I buy from them like from time to time, and I paid for the transformer, plus to have free shipping I had to order something, so 50 VA toroidal transformer, 2 times 24 volts, Vigortronics, and this costed, oh no, that's just not a cost, that's just like a dispatch note, yes, so that doesn't tell us how much it was. But anyways, that's one. And next is we've got Max 9860 ETG plus, so that means the lead free, should be at least, or I misread something. Okay, I didn't expect to have two, I did expect to have one, like why? So why these ones are here and these ones are here? Okay, that should be both maxes. So, and they are maxes. Okay, I don't understand why they send into. Now what it is for? Okay, this one is one of the projects where we've got ongoing here. Somebody wanna pop? That max I see is for the bridge. I've ordered the 4G modem with audio. So now, because the bridge works awesome, yes, I just love it, I'm planning to build a bridge which will have voice calling, because we've got voice calling in CRM only through Twilio. So we don't pay a lot, but you pay, like a few dollars for the subscription for the number. And then you pay per minute, yes, about 1.5p, but you pay, yes. So if you've got like me 6 hours of let's say incoming calls only, and total of over 10 hours, it's quite a few pounds anyway. So yes, we've got a transformer here, okay. So I will be, oh, that has a rubber, okay. So that's that has insulator. So I don't know about the old one. Yeah, this has metal, and okay, there is underneath rubber. Okay, so that's okay. So here is probably metal as well. It's just that it's black, not chrome or silver. So what's my goal next? My goal is to hook up this J1. Yes, this J1 I will hook up first, and then I will figure out those two, which ones, and then I'll connect it first to make sure I've got those 2 times 24 volts. When I have it and I'm sure about 24 volts, then I can hook it up properly, fully to the PCB and test it. Okay, so that's the plan. Short video, but tells you exactly the progress. The customer is waiting. I said that it will be 1 to 2 days delivery. and it was delivered. So yes, I will just now do it, and then I will record the final video if I found any more issues with that laminator, yes or not. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if somebody likes music, it's in the description below what I've created. More music is for our members, so there's only about 10 songs. Enjoy listening if you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.